In 2025, the demand for skilled coders is higher than ever before, driven by rapid digital transformation across industries, from healthcare and finance to education and space tech. To stay relevant and competitive, it's essential to master both foundational and advanced coding skills that align with where technology is heading. First, languages like Python remain the gold standard for general-purpose programming, especially in areas like automation, data analysis, and machine learning. For front-end development, JavaScript continues to dominate, supported by powerful frameworks like React, Vue.js, and Angular, which help developers build dynamic, interactive web interfaces. Meanwhile, TypeScript is becoming a must-have skill due to its type safety and scalability, especially for large-scale applications. Backend development is still strong with Node.js, Express.js, Django, and Spring Boot. Java and Scikit continue to hold importance in enterprise environments, especially in sectors like banking, insurance, and telecom. In the data-driven world of 2025, knowing how to work with large datasets, derive insights, and build predictive models is key. Master libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Scikit-learn for data manipulation and analysis. Add TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch to your toolkit for building intelligent systems and deep learning applications. Concepts like reinforcement learning, GANs, and transformers are increasingly shaping real-world AI applications, from recommendation systems to autonomous vehicles. Cloud computing is the backbone of digital infrastructure, so proficiency in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform, GCP, is highly valuable. Learn about cloud functions, serverless architecture, and auto-scaling deployments. DevOps practices are integral to efficient development pipelines. Tools like Docker and Kubernetes are essential for containerization and orchestration. Add knowledge of CI/CD pipelines using GitHub Actions, Jenkins, or GitLab CI, and explore infrastructure as code, IAC tools like Terraform and Ansible. Mobile app development is another high-demand area. Flutter and React. Native allow you to build cross-platform apps with a single codebase, while Kotlin and Swift continue to dominate native app development for Android and iOS respectively. Don't overlook progressive web apps, PWAs, which blend web and mobile experiences. Security is a non-negotiable aspect of modern development. Learn ethical hacking, penetration testing, and OWASP Top 10 vulnerabilities to secure your applications. Master authentication standards like OAuth 2, JWT, and multi-factor authentication, MFA. Familiarity with tools like Metasploit, Wireshark, and Burp Suite gives you a practical edge in identifying and fixing security flaws. In addition, blockchain and Web3 technologies are redefining how we build and trust applications. Learn to develop smart contracts using Solidity on platforms like Ethereum, and explore decentralized apps, DApps, DAOs, and Layer 2 solutions like Polygon. Understanding cryptography and distributed consensus algorithms also opens doors in fintech and decentralized identity systems. Generative AI is revolutionizing coding itself. Tools like GitHub, Copilot, ChatGPT, and Claude can now assist with code generation, debugging, and documentation. Learning prompt engineering, how to communicate effectively with AI models, is becoming a critical skill. You can create AI-based applications such as AI content creators, personal tutors, and even AI-driven game characters. As AI becomes more integrated into the development process, coders must focus more on system design, ethics, and explainability of AI. Don't forget the power of a beautiful and usable interface. UI/UX design skills are now integral for coders. Tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch help in creating prototypes and design systems. Learn about responsive design, accessibility standards like WCAG, and how to implement them using CSS frameworks such as Tailwind CSS or Bootstrap. Creating seamless user experiences also involves understanding user psychology and usability testing methods. Coding isn't just technical, it's a creative process that bridges logic and human interaction. Beyond hard skills, soft skills like communication, teamwork, and project management will set you apart. Learn Agile, Scrum, and Kanban practices to work effectively in teams. Use tools like Jira, Trello, or Asana to track progress. Knowledge of version control systems like Git and active contribution to open-source projects on GitHub boosts your credibility and hands-on experience. Build your personal brand by writing technical blogs, speaking at events, or mentoring juniors. Participate in coding challenges, hackathons, and developer communities to stay sharp and connected. In conclusion, the coding landscape of 2025 is broader, deeper, and more exciting than ever. Whether you want to be a machine learning engineer, web developer, DevOps specialist, mobile app creator, or even a tech entrepreneur, these skills will not only future-proof your career, but also give you the confidence to build products that impact the world. Keep learning, keep coding, and remember, in the fast-moving world of tech, adaptability is your superpower.